Welcome back to my channel, MarkMyFinance, where we talk about the latest in personal finance. I am Mark, and my mission is simple: to help every Indian make informed financial decisions with clarity, confidence, and trust. Whether it's insurance, mutual funds, tax planning, or wealth creation, you'll get practical advice you can actually use. And if that's what you're looking for, subscribe and join the MarkMyFinance family. So, why you need term insurance before it's too late? That's what we are going to be discussing today. The truth every family should know. What if you don't come home tomorrow? It's an uncomfortable question to ask, but your family will have to live with that answer. Many people spend years building wealth, buying a home, investing in mutual funds, and planning for retirement. But they forget one thing that protects all of it: term insurance. Today I'll explain you why buying term insurance is one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make, and how to avoid the common mistakes that delay or reject your policy, and what you must disclose honestly to ensure your family actually receives the claim. So, what is term insurance? Term insurance is pure life insurance. You pay a relatively small premium. In return, the insurance company promises you to pay the sum assured that you covered your life for. And this money goes to whom? This goes to your nominee upon your passing away. So there is no maturity benefit here. The purpose is simple: income replacement. Your family's lifestyle should not end because your income has ended because you are not around. So why should you buy term insurance is the question to ask. What are some of the popular factors that people consider? Let's dive into it. Protect your family's lifestyle. Now, mostly, what does your monthly income do? It pays for home loan EMIs, rent, children's education, household expenses, right? Parents' health care, daily living costs. Now, if your income stops, these expenses don't. Your family still has to continue living. And term insurance creates that immediate financial cushion. It helps you to clear outstanding loans. So imagine your family's situation. Let us say that you have borrowed a large home loan, a car loan, or a business loan, and instead of leaving behind liabilities, imagine upon your passing this large amount of money comes in, and it can help your family pay off these loans so that you can continue living with dignity. What are some of the other reasons? Children's future. Your dream of sending your child to the best college should not depend on whether you're alive or not. Term insurance helps ensure that those dreams continue. Peace of mind. Insurance is not bought because you expect something to happen. It's bought because life is unpredictable. Just like you wear a seat belt hoping never to use it, similarly you buy term insurance hoping never to use it. So when should you buy? The best time to buy term insurance is when you're young and healthy. That's what you hear. Why? Because premiums are low, medical conditions are fewer. The acceptable rates are higher, and you can lock in affordable premium for decades. Yes, you heard it right. When you buy a term insurance, your premiums can be locked in. But waiting until health problems develop often means higher premiums, medical tests, extra exclusions, or even policy rejection. So how much cover should one buy? There isn't a number that fits everyone. Consider your annual income, outstanding loans, children's future education, family's living expenses, inflation, existing investments and assets. Choose a cover that allows your family enough time to rebuild financially. So common reasons policies get delayed or decline. This is where many people make costly mistakes. Medical history. Do not hide. Your health conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart problems, asthma, kidney stones. See, I had a client who did not disclose any of this and assumed the policy will get issued. When the medical happens, which is common now for all term insurance, all this will get discovered. So if you know something, better to put it out there. Lifestyle habits. Smoking cigarettes, vape, drinking alcohol, using recreational drugs, These are all important. An insurer will want to know this. Occupational hazard. Some jobs carry higher risk, so they will command a premium. Existing insurance. Declare all your existing life insurance policies correctly. Today the insurance companies have a database. They can also figure this out on their own. Income. Never exaggerate your income. Income determines your financial eligibility for the cover. Family medical history. If asked, disclose illness affecting parents or siblings. It's good, but you need to be honest about this. And why full disclosure matters? This is probably the most important part of today's video. Many people think if they hide my diabetes, I'll get a lower premium. The decision could become very expensive for your family. Insurance works on the principle of utmost good faith. Both you and the insurer must deal in complete honesty. If material information is hidden, misrepresented, or falsely declared, it can create complications during the claim. Your goal should never be to get the cheapest policy. Your goal should be to get the right policy that stands strong when your family needs it the most. Always remember, read the proposal form carefully. Verify every answer before signing and ensure the information entered by the advisor matches what is disclosed. Keep copies of all the medical reports and proposal documents. Tell the truth even if it increases your premium. Paying a slightly higher premium is far better than creating uncertainty later. Additional tips. Compare insurers on the claim process, not just the premium. Understand policy exclusions. Read the benefit illustration and policy wordings. Update your nominee whenever life circumstances change. Inform your family where your policy documents are stored. Pay premium on time. Very, very important. Pay premium on time. Because if you lapse the policy and pay after grace, they might insist on a fresh medical and may not renew the policy. Review your cover whenever major life events occur, such as marriage, buying a home, or having children. Remember, you need to continue to top up your term cover with additional fresh policies so that it keeps in line with your income. Today, if I am earning, let us say 5 lakhs, and 6 years down the line or 10 years down the line I am earning 25 lakhs, I need to buy that additional cover. My message, term insurance isn't meant as a liability. It's meant about preparing for something that you would have done, protecting the people who you love the most. Term insurance isn't about loss of money. It's the greatest gift you can leave your family. It's not just wealth. If financial security, dignity, and the confidence that which you would have taken care of your family had you been around can be immortalized, that can happen only through buying a term life insurance. Don't buy term insurance because someone sold it to you. Buy it because your family deserves protection. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe, and share it with someone who has a family to protect. I am Mark and this is MarkMyFinance, helping you make smarter financial decisions with clarity and confidence. If you like to see any more videos, please share this with a friend and subscribe. Thank you for watching.